Here we are, guys, welcome to Budapest in Hungary, and as you can see we are surrounded by some beautiful architecture, all of the traditional buildings, brickwork, landmarks, and as you can see we've been up to the cathedral, and you've seen all of the local statues and the landmarks as well, and now we're here at the citadel. So as you can see, this is all traditional structures as well. It's like a giant castle. It's absolutely beautiful. We've had some traditional foods. Later on tonight we're going to go on to the Christmas market, and yeah, all in all just a beautiful traditional place. It's quite breathtaking. I wasn't expecting to see what we've seen, but we have. I want to keep on exploring. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you are, please like and subscribe below, and stay tuned for the rest of the video.
It's calling me.
So we are now here at the front of the citadel. I was just doing a bit of reading, and this was actually quite famous for witch rituals back in the witch era. It's around in the 18th century, so that's why it's of a very gothic theme. It's very kind of traditional and what's the word I'm looking for, like emotive, atmospheric, and it's a beautiful place to be actually, and a beautiful place to see. Everything is so traditional. Like I said before, the brickwork is so traditional and everything is so beautiful. But yeah, with the witch rituals that used to happen here, obviously made this place very unpopular. and it became overgrown with all of the trees and the kind of the woodland, and it was only in 1820 when it was actually rebuilt again and created into this beautiful tourist attraction, which even today is very widely visited and very famous, which obviously I didn't know before coming here, but we're here now. Very beautiful. Hope you continue to enjoy the video, and following this we're going to the Christmas market, so enjoy that. Okay, here we are at one of the most beautiful viewpoints of Budapest, which is the Saint Maria Anya. So this is Saint Maria. This is the view. And careful not to look down. This is called Living on the Edge. To the Christmas markets, the Fashion Street Budapest Christmas market. So there's everything here that you could possibly imagine. Handcrafted, gingerbread, Christmas souvenirs, natural, everything that you could imagine. So we're going to take a look around. I hope you enjoy what you see. It's absolutely a beautiful place. Once again, the lights are up, the Christmas trees are out, the decorations are going. Keep watching, we'll keep filming. Back at the hotel, just to give you a little story of my day in Budapest. So we flew here. I woke up at 3 AM in Dubai time, which is actually midnight here in Budapest. So I actually woke up at midnight last night, if that makes sense. Took only a 5.5 hour flight, but we took the flight here. Local time, we landed at maybe 11:30, got to the hotel around 12:30, and then two of us decided that we wanted to go out and sightsee before going to the Christmas market. So, oh my god, what a beautiful, beautiful city. You know, we was not expecting to see what we saw, but the traditional architecture, all of the traditional statues, the citadels, the Christmas market, Like, this place is absolutely breathtaking. It's so like so authentic, and you don't see that much in Dubai, so the contrast is just unbelievable. So we went up to the citadel and the cathedral, like the traditional castle, and wow, like it was just unbelievable. The castle itself, which we saw, was actually rebuilt in 1820, because before that it was actually famous for witchcraft. So there was rumoured what's the word I'm looking for, rituals that would happen in this castle in Budapest, and it was a big detraction for everyone who lived there, all of the local people. So it became like a ghost town. It was deserted, and as a result of that, the place just was destroyed. But 1820 they rebuilt it. It became more of an attraction, and ever since then, from the 18th century up until today, this place is just absolutely stunning. The panoramic views of all of Budapest is just unbelievable. So yeah, we did that. We saw all of the main sites that we needed to see, and then we came back to the hotel, met up with the rest of the crew. There was about 7 or 8 of us, I think. We went down to the Christmas market, so there was lots of traditional stalls full of like chestnuts that were roasting on an open fire. There was all of the traditional food. We had the gingerbread houses, the fairy lights, the Christmas trees, like all of the toys and the handcrafted gifts and what's the word I'm looking for, souvenirs. And man, it is beautiful. What a beautiful place. So if you ever get the chance to come here and see it, then make sure you do. 100%. It's definitely worth a visit, and even just for one day, to be able to come here in December and to see the Christmas lights and the Christmas theme, that's quite special to me. So that's it. That's been my day in Budapest. I've come back now to the hotel. It is currently 6:20, so in Dubai it's 9:20, and I woke up at midnight. So 12 until 12 is 12 hours. Add 6, 18. So I've been awake for 18 hours. Finally lay down on my bed. My honest opinion on this job, my honest opinion on cabin crew. Yeah, we sacrifice a lot. We don't sleep. Our concept of night and day is completely destroyed. We feel so tired all the time, but wow. You wake up in Dubai, you go to sleep in Budapest. Next month I've got Milan, New York, so I will wake up in Dubai, go to sleep in Milan, wake up in Milan, go to sleep in New York. These things just, wow, how lucky to be able to do what we do and to get paid to do it, to see the world and to be able to do these things. It's just so worth it. So that's it. They're my thoughts for the day. I hope I've managed to educate or inspire or interest whoever's watching this. Whatever you're doing, I hope you have a great time, have a great Christmas, great New Year. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Good night, God bless, and have a great evening.